tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. These confessions of dejection and despair hold me tighter. This dynamic says it all, lingering in the air. You're the curator and I'm like jumping in your blanket. Feel like I'm sinking on. I feel like climbing in your cave. Feel like I'm going over your flesh. It attracts me like a magnet. My mind spins faster. Your cunning traps me like a cage. My heart is bursting through. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the room. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses. Instead of dreaming of things, vision of fields could be right under our nose. Vision of fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the room. These confessions, instead of dreaming of things we miss, and some great rapture, Elysian fields could be right under our nose. Feel like jumping, rapture at our fingertips. I feel like climbing in your cave. Your flesh attracts me like I'm going over the falls. Your cunning traps me like a cage. And just for once I feel like I'm starting to smell the falls. Instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. Feel I'm going over the falls. Feel like I'm going over the falls.